Top 10 education institutes in Australia. Monash College, Australia, your pathway to a top 100 university. Explore the options of foundation year, diploma, and English language courses. Monash College is a key pathway for international students to join. Life at Monash, about us, courses, study areas. 1000+ questions with answer. Ran ZCP exam courses. 350,000+ successful candidates and 10-year experience in helping people achieve FRA and ZCP. Live and online courses available. Written exam, RAN ZP, RAN written courses. List of universities in Australia, many courses for you to study. Community services courses, leadership and management courses, animal technology courses, accounting courses, business courses, TESOL. Tuition fees courses, contact us forms. Become a doctor in Australia. One-to-one courses by IMGSCOS. Pass your AMC MCQs exam on the first attempt with the help of an online courses by IMGSOSU. From sources occurs the web. University of Sydney, University of Melbourne, Australian National University, University of Queen Island. People also ask, what is the number one university in Australia? QS World University Ranking 2021 Top 10 University in Australia. Australia rank 1, Global rank 31, University, Australian National University ANU. 2, 14 University of Sydney. 3, 41 University of Melbourne. Top universities in Australia 2021 Top universities. Which university is best for teaching degree in Australia? Teacher education ranking. Rank university student. 1 Australian Catholic University 103033. 2 Queensland University of Technology. 3 University of New England. 4 Deakin University. Best Teacher Education University in Australia University Review. What is Australia top university? Australian National University. The Australian National University ANU is the best university in Australia this year. Despite filling 5th place globally in the QS World University Ranking 2020, ANU remain ahead of the next best university in the country, the University of Melbourne. Top University in Australia 2020 Top Universities. What is hardest university to get into in Australia? Australian National University ANU. Located with its main campus in Canberra, ANU has been consistently ranked as the best university in the country and 24th in the world by QS World University Ranking. The university has the lowest acceptance rate in Australia with acceptance rate of 35%. 5 university in Australia with lowest acceptance rate global.